Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect your Enphase IQ Charger to Enlighten, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, ensure that your Enphase IQ Charger is properly installed and powered on. Next, open the Enlighten app on your mobile device. If you don't have the app yet, download it from the App Store or Google Play. Create an account or log in if you already have one. Once logged in, tap on the Add Device option. Select IQ Charger from the list of devices. Follow the on-screen prompts to initiate the pairing process. Ensure that your smartphone's Bluetooth is enabled for a successful connection. The app will search for nearby devices. When your IQ Charger appears, select it to begin the connection. You'll be prompted to enter your Wi-Fi credentials. Type in your Wi-Fi network name and password accurately. Make sure the IQ Charger is connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your mobile device. Once your credentials are entered, tap Connect. The app will then communicate with the charger to establish the connection. If successful, you'll receive a confirmation message on your screen. You can now access real-time data and manage settings through the Enlighten app. Should you encounter any issues during this process, double-check your Wi-Fi connection. Restarting both the charger and your mobile device can also help resolve minor connection problems. For additional support, visit the Enphase website or refer to the user manual. You have now successfully connected your Enphase IQ Charger to Enlighten. You're ready to monitor and optimize your charging experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.